Most people waste hours scrolling on TikTok, watching other people live the life they want. But a few have figured out something different. They're using AI websites to make real money while everyone else just watches. We're living in a time where AI isn't just a tool, it's a business partner. And if you know how to use it, you can literally build a small income empire right from your laptop. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI websites that can actually make you rich this year, even if you have no experience, no audience, and no idea where to start. Let's begin. Number 1, Durable AI website builder. First up, we have Durable, one of the fastest AI website builders in the world. Here's how it works. You type a business name, a short description, and Durable instantly builds a complete, professional-looking website. It even writes the text, adds images, and sets up the layout automatically. You can offer 24-hour website design to small businesses, coffee shops, personal trainers, photographers, even your local hair salon. Say you charge $250 per website and finish 4 a week. That's $1,000 a week using nothing but AI and a bit of creativity. You can even upsell extras like SEO text or logo design, both of which AI can handle for you. Durable makes you look like a full agency, even if it's just you and your laptop. The link is below, free trial included. Number 2, OpusClip, video repurposing. Next, OpusClip, your virtual video editor. Content is everywhere, but creators don't have time to edit. That's where you come in. With OpusClip, you upload one long video, maybe a podcast or a YouTube interview, and it automatically finds the most engaging 10 to 15 moments. It cuts them, adds captions, zooms, and even suggests the title. Then you sell those clips as short-form content packages for $150 to $300 per client. Do that for just 3 clients a month and you're easily at $1,000. This is how modern content agencies scale fast. One person using smart tools. I've linked OpusClip below. There's a free trial through my affiliate link so you can test it yourself. Number 3, Gamma, instant presentations. Gamma is a hidden gem. It builds pitch decks, client proposals, and presentations in minutes. You type your idea, for example, pitch deck for a vegan protein startup targeting gym owners, and Gamma instantly builds every slide, visuals, copy, and design. You can sell these on Fiverr or to startups for $100 to $200 each. And the beauty is, Gamma's templates look better than 90% of PowerPoints made by professionals. Combine Gamma with ChatGPT for text improvements, and suddenly you're offering AI-powered pitch decks, a service that sounds premium but takes you 15 minutes. Number 4, Copy.ai, marketing copy. Every business needs marketing copy, ads, product pages, email campaigns, but writing good copy is hard. Copy.ai fixes that. You feed it a few lines about a product, and it spits out full paragraphs that sound like they were written by a top-tier marketer. Example, a client sells eco-friendly water bottles. Prompt Copy.ai. Write a persuasive product description for a premium, reusable water bottle that saves the environment and looks stylish. You'll have perfect text in seconds. Offer that as a service for $50 to $100 per page. 5 clients a week, $500 minimum. The demand for copywriters is endless, and now you have AI doing 90% of the work. Number 5, 11 Labs, AI voice creation. Next up, 11 Labs. This tool turns any script into a studio-quality voiceover. You can choose from hundreds of realistic voices or clone your own so your channel sounds consistent. You can create faceless YouTube channels, voiceovers for product videos, or even audiobooks, all with AI. Let's say you make explainer videos for small businesses. ChatGPT writes the script, 11 Labs records the voice, and Pictory or Canva adds the visuals. You've just produced a professional video without touching a camera. That's the future of solo entrepreneurship. Number 6, Pictory, AI video maker. Pictory turns your words into videos. You paste in a blog post, sales script, or article, and it adds stock clips, transitions, captions, and background music automatically. Combine it with 11 Labs for the voice and Copy.ai for the text, and you've just built a complete video production business. You can even use Pictory to grow your own YouTube channel. Make AI explainer videos, post consistently, and monetize through ads and affiliate links. Many faceless channels are earning thousands per month this way. Number 7, Canva, design automation. Canva's new AI features, Magic Eraser, Magic Design, and Magic Resize, make you a one-person design agency. You can create logos, social posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, or flyers in minutes. One simple strategy: sell branded content packs to small businesses. 10 social posts for $100. Use ChatGPT for the captions, Canva for the visuals, and deliver everything in 24 hours. Canva also has Magic Write, an AI text generator built right in, so you never stare at a blank canvas again. Number 8, Make.com, workflow automation. Make.com connects all your apps: Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, Instagram, and more. You can automate simple but time-consuming tasks like sending client updates, moving files, or posting new content. The real business model: set up automations for other people. Businesses pay $200 to $500 for someone to make their systems talk to each other. Once you learn Make.com, you can build and sell automations on repeat, and they work forever. Number 9, Notion AI, productivity and templates. Notion AI is your personal assistant that never sleeps. It can plan projects, summarize text, and even generate to-do lists or SOPs automatically. Use it to create client dashboards, business trackers, or content calendars, and then sell those templates. Example: Notion template for content creators, $29 on Gumroad. Sell it once, and it can earn for months. The best part? Notion AI makes the structure for you. You just brand it and upload it. Number 10, Synthesia, AI video avatars. And finally, Synthesia. This website generates talking head videos using realistic AI avatars that speak your text in more than 60 languages. Businesses use Synthesia to create training videos, marketing explainers, and even customer onboarding clips, without hiring actors or renting studios. Offer AI video services on Fiverr or Upwork, especially in multiple languages. It's high value, low effort, and almost no one is doing it yet. Think about it. You can produce professional corporate videos without ever showing your face or touching a camera. And that's it. 10 AI websites that can truly make you rich this year if you put them to work. Remember, none of these tools will make you money on their own. It's how you use them that matters. Pick one, learn it deeply, and turn it into a service people actually need. I've linked all the tools below. Most have free trials through my affiliate links. And don't forget to download my free guide, 10 AI Tools That Make Money. It walks you through exactly how to start using these tools to earn your first $1,000 online. You've got everything you need. Now, it's time to stop scrolling and start building.